Now that you've uploaded your data and styled your map, you'll share your visualization. So you can control several map parameters by clicking on the Options button on the leftmost blue bar. When you click on this, it opens up the Map Options window. And here you can control several components or settings for your map, such as having a search box, zoom controls, the Carto logo, legends, a layer selector, show toolbar, or scroll zoom wheel. So here I'm going to uncheck the Carto logo and select the layer selector option. This adds a widget to the legend that allows users to turn layers off and on. When I'm done setting up these options, I'll click the Edit button to return to the previous view. And I can publish the map and make it available via a hyperlink or code that can be embedded in a page. And to start, I'll click the Share button at the bottom of the Layers panel. By default, my new map has been set to private, and this means only I can see it. So by publishing your map, you'll make it publicly discoverable. I've already worked with this map a little bit. Normally this, instead of update, will say publish. And so you'll click that update or publish button. And the map is still set as private. So I need to click the red private button to expose the permission options. And I need to choose an option other than private to get the hyperlink or the code to embed this map in a page. So I can choose from public, only accessible with link, or password. Anything other than private. So for this lab, I'll choose public. And now I'm offered the link and the code to embed this map in a web page. In the Get a Link section, I'll click the Copy button to copy the link to the map to my clipboard. I can then open up a new tab in my browser and paste that link in to see the map. And now you can see that the map is there with the layer selector widget, so I can unselect layers, turn them off and turn them on. Going back to the publish page, I could also use the copy button on the embed it page to copy this code snippet and paste it into a web page. And when I'm done, I click done to return to my map. So here I've created a dynamic online map of the data. And in this lab, you learned the basics of using Carto. You learned how to upload data, style it, and share your visualization. So there's a lot more you can do with Carto, especially if you want to learn the map layer styling language Carto CSS or their programming API, Carto.js. And Carto has a lot of good documentation, including Carto guides, webinars, case studies, and white papers.